Fixing fingerprint reader login issues in Windows Hello on an HP Notebook PC. If the fingerprint reader on your HP Notebook PC with Windows 10 is experiencing issues when logging in with Windows Hello, follow these steps to reset the Windows Hello settings. First, set up the fingerprint reader. In Windows, search for and open Sign-In Options. In Sign-In Options, under Windows Hello Fingerprint, click on Setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the fingerprint reader. From your desktop, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete to confirm that the fingerprint reader sign-in option is displayed on your Windows lock screen. Next, log in to Windows. If you do not see the fingerprint sign-in option, continue to the next step. Update Windows to resolve common fingerprint reader issues. In Windows, search for and open Check for Updates. This will show you all available updates for your computer and automatically install them. Once all updates have been installed, repeat the first step to set up the fingerprint reader. If you are still unable to log in using the fingerprint reader, contact HP Customer Support.